What's the meaning of Amerigo Vespucci? Amerigo Vespucci. Amerigo Vespucci. Amerigo Vespucci. Amerigo Vespucci. Amerigo Vespucci.
Amerigo Vespucci was an Italian explorer who lived in the 15th and 16th centuries. He is best known for his explorations of the Americas, which ultimately led to the continents being named after him. Vespucci made several voyages to the New World, and his reports of the flora, fauna, and indigenous people he encountered helped shape European understanding of the continent. Today, Vespucci is remembered as one of the most important explorers of the Age of Discovery, and his name has become synonymous with the land that he helped to discover.